lost this. I'm better than dude, but she allowed this. When I have to flex, I'm allowed this. I'm number one like a tune next to me. I'm number one like a tune next to me. Overrated and debated. I'm the greatest and they hate it. I don't compare to your comparables. To reply, I speak in parables. We are unparalleled. My come up off Imperial. And I made it without a scale. Don't wish me hell. Well, I gotta make it. I'm on my grind, the bottom naked. I double checked it. Make a difference, why don't you? Be the man, why won't you? On demand to promote you. Watch for haters, they provoke you. Sandbox shorty, Julian Laker like a Kobe, teaching Skywalker like he Obi. Stacks of fly talker, think he owe me. Started from the bottom like the old me. Every vision had a dream, what they sold me. Follow me is what they told me. Faith and works is what they molded. The refining looking golden. A fruitful seed, thanks who grow it. It's God level when you know it. It's God level, need to show it. Truth be told is uncomparable. I speak in parables. We live in parallel. Fare thee well, young lad. I hope you get everything you lacked. Came up from behind, this the back. In GMG the top, it's the map. Graduation mind gotta shine. Might educate the children like I'm Shine. Grow a beard and play father for the time. Mother Nature, it's all divine.